Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel named KAKKARACADEMICS. Myself DEEPAK. So now today we are going to learn about number system. So in this we are going to learn different sets, that is number are arranged in different sets named like natural numbers. First of all, what are natural numbers? That is natural number is denoted by capital N, that is the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. All these numbers are known as natural numbers. Now if I add a number 0 to the natural numbers, then it gives birth to a new set of numbers named as whole numbers, which are denoted by capital W. Now this is the first set and this is the second. Now if I talk about all the negative naturals, 0 and naturals taken together in a set, they form -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, from -infinity to +infinity. All this set is named as integers and is denoted by capital I or capital Z. Now the next is rational numbers. That is, from name it is clear what is a rational number. A number which is formed, a number which is written in the form of a ratio, basically. So a number of the form P by Q, where Q is non-zero, and the most important thing, P comma Q are co-prime. That means P and Q are co-prime. So what do you mean by co-prime? Co-prime means nothing is common. Co-prime means nothing is common between P and Q. So again we read the definition of rational numbers, that is a number of the form P by Q where Q is non-zero. Why Q is non-zero? If Q approaches to 0. If Q is 0, then the ratio P by Q, that is equals to P upon 0, which approaches to infinity, or we can say not defined. So Q is non-zero here and P comma Q are co-prime. So that's all. Now rational numbers are also defined in decimal formations. So if I say 10 upon 3, the decimal expansion of 10 upon 3 is like 3.333 up to so on, like 3.3 bar. That is 3 is repeated infinite times. That is a decimal expansion of the form this, that is non-terminating repeating, or a decimal expansion of the form like 5 by 2. Here its decimal expansion is simply 2.5 n. So this decimal expansion is called terminating decimal expansion. So if we have these two kinds of decimal expansion, then these numbers are also called rational numbers. That is 10 upon 3, that is a decimal expansion which is non-terminating repeating, or a decimal expansion which is terminating. All these two decimal expansion are also known as a rational number. So rational number can be categorized into 3 ways, that is in the form of ratio, or in the form of a non-terminating repeating, or in the form of a terminating decimal expansion. Now the next is irrational number. That is a irrational number which is denoted by Q star. One thing I skip out here, sorry, that is rational number is denoted by capital Q. Now irrational number denoted by Q star, that is a number of the form under root of P, where P belongs to natural number and P is a prime number. So all these kinds of number are known as a irrational number. For example, under root 2, under root 3, under root of 5, under root of 7, etc. They all are known as the irrational number. Now, as like decimals, irrational numbers are also defined in the form of a decimal expansions. How is it like? If we have a decimal expansion of the form like 1.2358743289954 and so on, that is a decimal expansion which is non-terminating and non-repeating. Then the number is known as a irrational number. Also the number pi, the value of pi is 3.1415663 up to so on. Here pi is also an irrational number. Why? Because pi has also decimal expansion which is non-terminating, non-repeating. So this is all about the irrational number. Now the last but not the least, that are real numbers, which are denoted by capital R. Now what are real numbers? All the numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity, like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, 1/3/2, 1/2, all the negative ratios, all the roots, all the ratios, we can say 8/9 and so on. All the numbers which are represented on a real line are known as real numbers. So if I finalize the say that real numbers, that is real number can be categorized into two kinds, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. And rational numbers can be further categorized into integers or fractions, or we can say decimals. Now fractions and decimals can be further categorized into terminating and non-terminating and repeating. And non-terminating, non-repeating is a part of a irrational number. So non-terminating and non-repeating are covered in the irrational numbers. Now integer can be further categorized into negative numbers and whole numbers, and whole number can be further categorized into 0 and natural numbers. So this is all the concept of set of the numbers. Thank you.